Hello, and welcome to Art by You. I'm Captain Starlight, and we thought it might be fun if we took a look at some of your awesome artwork with a very special guest. But before we head to the gallery, why don't you click subscribe so you can keep up to date with all of our new videos. Done it? Awesome. Let's go! Hey guys, now we're in the gallery. Let's look at our first artist of today. Oh, I like this one. Today's artist is Jasmine. Jasmine has painted this one here. Oh, I really like that it's two different pictures together. I think that is super interesting. And I think that maybe like they're joined together as well. That they take a picture. It kind of makes me feel like being at like the beach maybe, and like maybe Christmas. I feel like maybe like that little triangle, the green triangle there, it's got a real kind of Christmassy vibe to it. So yeah, it makes me feel like that. Let's see what our special guest Lord Paintswell has to say.
This has a real JMW Turner feeler about it. It would definitely make me Turner around.
Such a fantastic point, Lord Paintswell. As always, thank you so much, Jasmine. Fantastic art. Let's go down to our next piece. Wow, would you look at that? This is by an artist called Maddie, and there's a lot going on there. There's a lot of texture going on there. They look like a lot of different pieces of paper. Is that what you guys see as well? Yeah, I know, right? I love the colors as well. There's blues and yellows and pinks, and it kind of feels like that might be the front of a Starlight Express Room. I'm not sure, but it's kind of what it looks like. It kind of makes me feel like if you lived in a rainbow, that's what it would feel like. Let's go to Lord Paintswell, see what he has to say. Lord Paintswell?
Banksy better watch himself with this one. Next they'll be asking, is that a Maddie on the wall?
So fantastic. Lord Paintswell, you've done it again. Do you have any final thoughts for today?
I do it for the love of art, and I love this art.
Oh, that was so awesome. All of our artwork today has been collected in the South Australian Starlight Express Room. The next time you're in the Starlight Express Room, you could show your artwork to a captain, and they could send it along to us, and we could have a look at it here. So good. So you better make sure that you subscribe to Fun with Captain Starlight to keep up to date with all our videos. Guys, see you next time. Oh, so good. Bye.